Hey my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a super cute giraffe step by step. This tutorial is really easy and perfect for beginners. So don't worry, I will guide you with lots of love and simple steps. Grab your pencil and pen. Let's create this adorable giraffe together. Let's begin. Wow, guys, our cute giraffe is almost ready. I hope you had a fun drawing with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more fun and loving art videos. And don't be shy, okay? Drop a sweet comment. I love to know how your giraffe turned out. Till we meet again, keep smiling, keep creating, and stay connected with me through art and love. Till then, bye bye, see ya, stay blessed.